You're gonna bring the right fingertips back. Right fingertips reach up towards the sky and then over into a side body stretch. If this is feeling way too jammed up for you here, just release the left hand to the ground and take the side body stretch here. So we always have options. Feel it out and then respond to that feeling mindfully with your breath. All right, bring it back to center. Right fingertips come right behind the spine. Tuck your chin, look down. And then from the base of the pelvis, you're gonna deep inhalations and long exhalations. All right, now keep the left hand where it is on the right knee. Slowly draw energy up, then keep traveling up the low back, the mid back, and then all the way up through the neck as you lift the chin and slowly begin to journey into the twist. Keep breathing here.